Hello, welcome to Food and Barbecue. Well, I was watching Jack's Drinkwater and he made halloumi fajitas, so I figured it was time to make another halloumi video. So I've got some asparagus, some regular halloumi and some chili halloumi, and then I've got some cauliflower steaks, and I got a guaylo marinade that I'm going to use as a seasoning. It's really good. Okay, so what I did was I cut the cauliflower head into steaks. The end bits I'm saving for some cauliflower rice for another day. Then I'm using some garlic oil from IKEA on my griddle. Well, as you can see, just lathering a little bit of oil on there and then letting them cook. Total cook time for this meal was 20 minutes from start to finish. Moving them around, and it's time to put the asparagus on. I'm adding a little bit of butter now because I like the butter flavor with asparagus. There we go. Okay, so I've got the front burner full blast. My burners go from left to right. Middle burner, middle, and back burner on low. So flipping them around. Still no distinguishing color on this, but oh well. I'm gonna link you to Jax's video where he made fajitas because they look really good. Any which way, moving them again. Moving the cauliflower up on the upper shelf so that it's easier to get everything moving around and the melted butter. As you can see, I've got a surface now. Okay, it's more or less time to serve this. So just taking it all off and adding a couple of cherry tomatoes to it. I think that's all there is to it. This is a really nice vegetarian meal. Of course it's not vegan, but I'm not a vegan, so oh well. Almost done. Moving it around, giving it a little bit of a crust in the end. And there we go. Plating and serving this with a little bit of mayo, just with some sriracha, and it was time for a taste test. There we go, some fried cauliflower, halloumi, and asparagus with chili mayo or sriracha mayo. So let's try it. It's really good. Thanks, Jax. You inspired me. Thank you for watching. Bye.